In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pinterest mobile account. If you're sure you no longer need your Pinterest presence, deleting your account will remove your profile, boards, pins, comments, and any saved content tied to that account. Before you start, take a moment to think about anything you might want to keep. You can save images to your device first, because after deletion, getting them back isn't usually possible. Also, make sure you're signed into the account you intend to delete. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. From the home feed, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon along the bottom bar. It's the button that shows your avatar or a person's silhouette, and it takes you straight to your profile page where your boards and pins are listed. On your profile, look to the top of the screen for the settings icon. It appears as a small gear and sits in the upper corner. Tap that to open your account settings. This is where Pinterest keeps all the controls for privacy, notifications, and account changes. Inside Settings, find and select Account Management. This section groups the important actions that affect your account itself, including deactivation and deletion. Opening it will give you a clear set of options related to how your account is stored and handled. Next, choose Delete Your Data and Account. This is different from temporarily deactivating. Deactivation hides your profile for a while but lets you come back. Deletion is intended to permanently remove your account and the data associated with it. Read the description on the screen so you know exactly what will be removed. When you're ready, tap Continue. This button moves you forward to the final stage of the process. Take a moment to review any notes Pinterest provides here about what happens after you proceed. It's a good idea to double check that you're working with the correct account and that you've saved anything you still need, especially if you manage shared boards or have content you might reference later. That's it for the in-app steps. After you press Continue, Pinterest begins the deletion process. In many cases, it may take some time for everything to disappear across the platform. During that period, avoid signing back in, as doing so can sometimes interrupt account changes on various services. If the app interface looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Icons might shift position with updates, but the path is the same. Profile, Settings, Account Management, delete your data and account, and then continue. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your Pinterest mobile account deleted with confidence.